Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Tfvpm, and today I'm super excited to bring you another platform called Tfvpm. So before I introduce, I want to invite everyone to join my Telegram community. In here, I will be sharing all my DGen play. So for this project, I have been in for a little bit over a week now. I love this project. Okay, so I know the background of this project. I know they are the same founding team of a very hot project from last year. Okay, the reason why I say it's very hot is because they were paying out 3% per day for almost 1 year. Okay, they were doing arbitrage trading. I'm not gonna mention the name, but you guys can guess. Okay, and this project they are coming out with a much lower yield, so it's average around like 1%, and they are aiming to run for as long as possible, like for 2 to 3 years minimum. Okay, they are trying to make it very sustainable, leveraging their AI technology along with their trading team, and they are making great progress and making great results for their investors. Okay, they're established in the US and then actually in multiple countries. As we can see, like they have registered their business in different countries, including Canada, US, UK, and also they are one of the few they actually acquired a license from US, the NFA futures regulatory license, and this one is very hard to get. Okay, and then a lot of people might think, oh, this might be fake and stuff like that, and then I actually ran a deep research. Let's, for example, they have that's the government of Canada's main website. Okay, and then you can see they are registered in April. Okay, April this year, so that's when they are starting this cooperation, this project. So it's actually registered not just in Canada, but I also ran a research in also UK. Okay, so everything is on the official website. You can actually check Tfvpm Capital Ltd. Same here. It's called TFV Capital Foundation, and also in US. Okay, so Tfvpm Capital. Okay, it's actually all over like Canada, US, and UK, and also they acquired this regulatory license. Okay, so this project have a very good foundation, and they have all those certificates are real, and the business is very legit. Okay, and here is their back end of the dApp of the website. So normally for people who wants to participate, you need to register an account. So after you register an account, you logged in. So here is what you're gonna get. That's the interface. So here they have couple different of the investment plan. I'm gonna go over each one. So it's ranging for 1 day to, like, there are two different types. One is fixed term. It's called fixed term. The other one is compound interest fund. Okay, so this one is relatively shorter. So it's from 1 day, 3 day, 5 day, 7 day, and 15 days. Okay, and then here is much longer term, like 45 days, 75 days, 60 days, 75 days, and 180 days. But for me, I like the ones that don't lock capital for very long. Like for example, 1 day you can get in and get out like whenever you want. It's very liquidate. So that's what I like. Okay, and then let's, for example, let's take a look at their 1 day. So what they have is 1 day is 1.3% daily. They will charge a 0.3% management fee, so you're actually getting 1%. So the minimum purchase is $10, and your capital lock is 24 hours. So after 24 hours, you are gonna get your interest and principal back to your wallet, and you can withdraw anytime. And like for example, we also have 15 days. That's my favorite because I know this project is gonna last, and I want relatively high yield. So that's 1.59%. Still, it's also a 0.3% fee. So that means the actual percentage is around 1.3%, which is, I think, for me personally, I think is very good. So after 15 days, you will be getting the accumulated interest plus your principal back in your wallet, and then you can withdraw anytime. I'm gonna share with you one of the one that I already play for a week. That we can find it in the fund orders. So that's the current one that I'm running right now. So I got in 2 days ago, and then it's gonna end 7 days. So this one is a 7-day term. Okay, and let's see one that I already done. So I started originally for 10K, and then the income that I got for a 7 day period, the 7 day fund is 840 in total. Actually, sorry, it's 1,050. That's the total income that I got. But like there's a management fee of 210, so eventually I get 840. So that's for my previous trade. And then we can check. So here we can check the transaction report. Okay, so they have daily transaction report, weekly transaction report, and monthly transaction report. And let's find the ones that corresponding to my previous one. Okay, so it has very detailed trades that was posted by their trading team, and shows you exactly which trade that makes generate money and which trade lost money, and overall like the overall performance as well. So it's very transparent. And also they are actually trading back this project, and this one is my second cycle. So after my first 7 days, I put in my interest and principal back, and then run it for another 7 days. Okay, so I strongly believe this project can last very long, and I'm gonna show you how to make deposit and how to withdraw. Okay, so first, if you want to make a deposit, you need to recharge first. So you press recharge, and then you select the way that you want. It's either TRC or ERC20. Let's say for TRC20, let's say I want to recharge 10,000. I press recharge. Okay, and then because this one I already done, so normally you press recharge, it's gonna pop up it's gonna pop up a window where you just transfer the money into your account. And then after you recharge, it's gonna show up here in your wallet, and then you just go to discovery, and then you select the plan that you want to do. Let's say, for example, you want a 50-day plan. You click buy, and then you enter the amount that you want to buy, 10K. You select and you press confirm, and then it's gonna show it's working. So after the 15 days, it's gonna unlock, and then you will see the money, the interest plus principal here. And if you want to make a withdrawal, first you need to bind your wallet. Okay, you can select TRC or ERC or TRX. Okay, so let's say, for example, TRC, you put in the wallet address here, and then you do a verification code using your email. They are gonna send you verification code. You just need to put in and then press submit, and it will succeed. So after that, after you bind your wallet, and you can press withdraw, and then you select like the wallet, and then you put in the address, you put in the amount, and then you put in the password, withdraw password, and then you press submit. Okay, and then it's gonna hit your wallet pretty fast. So normally I test it hits the wallet around normally it's around a few minutes. Sometimes it can go up to 30 minutes, but like most likely it's gonna be hit your wallet in a few minutes. So that's it for this project, and none of my share is financial advice. I know the team. I know this team is very transparent, and then they ran very successful project before, and this one they are aiming to run very long, at least 2 to 3 years. So I believe in them. But like I said, it's all about risk capital. Okay, only put in what you can afford to lose. None of what I share is financial advice. You need to do your own due diligence, and you need to be responsible for your money. So that's it for this project. So thanks everyone for watching. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.